How to order Zomato tapes using Restaurant Partner app. Hello Restaurant Partner. Using tapes while packing food helps in ensuring that there is no spillage or contamination during food delivery, and every customer enjoys fresh and hygienically packed food. Now, you can easily order Zomato tapes through the Help Center on the Restaurant Partner app. Here's how you can do it. Log into your Restaurant Partner app using owner credentials such as phone number or email ID. An OTP will be sent to the associated phone number or email ID. Enter the OTP to authenticate and log in. Once you are logged in, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and tap on Help Center. Now, click on Zomato Tapes. This will redirect you to another page where you can select Order Zomato Tapes to place your order for tapes. On this page, you will be able to see your restaurant address. In case you want the tapes to be delivered at a different address, please enter the address here. Enter your mobile number and PIN code. Make sure that the mobile number you enter is available at the address mentioned above. This is important since the OTP at the time of delivery will be messaged on the mobile number entered here. After filling in the details, click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully placed your order for Zomato tapes. You will be able to track the status of tapes here after 48 to 72 hours. You can check when the order was placed and when it's out for delivery to the address. You can also click on the View button to track the shipment. Thank you for watching this video.